There we go, y'all. We're gonna do this one real smooth. It's 2014 NFL Draft, baby. Who bar? I'm back, and I ain't never left. This one's for you, Milky J. The tradition continues. It's 2014 Draft. It's time to turn up. Will your team make a good pick, or will it be a bust? Will you get a Tim Couch or a Donnie McNabb? Will the fans start to boo, or will they be glad? Yeah, it's 2014 Draft. It's time to turn up. Will your team make a good pick, or will it be a bust? Will you get a Ryan Leaf or a Peyton Manning, or get a star and lay picks like New England did? Yo, it's 2014 and the Texans on the clock. Will they trade off the pick, or will they stay on top? All the experts saying, yo, draft Khalil Mack. But when Clowney hits you, baby, yo, it's more than a sack. Everybody wants to know where Johnny Football will land. But all I know is that it's magic when the ball in his hand. But when he did in college, will he do in the league? They want to deem him great. Let him earn that, please. It was a wild off season. A lot of moves was made. Some was pretty good, some was crazy. RG3 said, yo, I got my swagger back. And I think that happened when the Redskins signed D-Jack. Chip said, I got a plan, that's why I did what I did. But if that plan don't work out, Philly will have his head. Yo, it's 2014 Draft, it's time to turn up. Will your team make a good pick, or will it be